All right, y'all, so welcome back to the channel here. First little upgrade that I'm going to go ahead and do today, I'm going to add this badass bullet antenna on here. This long, lengthy, wiggly silver one just doesn't cut it for me. I mean, everything's black on the truck. Why would I leave that? So this should be pretty forward. You get yourself some vice grips or get yourself some pliers, twist this off. This guy in here does come with some attachments, so you can go ahead and find which one fits on there, and the antenna should be right on in there. See the tip of it there? Let's see if I can get it out really fast. And yeah, and once you have the antenna out, it should go ahead and just pop in. I got this off of Amazon. It wasn't expensive. It was like 20 bucks or something like that. Let me see. Let's see if I could get it out here really fast for you. Sorry about that, but yeah, check it out. It's just a all black, bullet antenna. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty simple, pretty easy, and that's gonna replace that. All right, y'all, so this is where I'm at. I tried using some vice grips. The vice grips didn't work as good, so I got myself this adjustable wrench right here. And as you can see, I mean, it's coming out little by little. You're just gonna have to keep on turning, and yeah, it will come out. All right, y'all, so after twisting and twisting and twisting, what I wound up doing is I went busted out a couple of the lubricants here. And I used some of the PB Blaster. I'd even put this 3-in-1 just penetrant, because I was like, man, this damn thing was rusted in there. I don't know, but it was like super stuck in. So it got stuck when I was turning it, so you'd have to turn it back to loosen it up and then start going again. It was a little time consuming, but hey, we got it out. So you find the little extension here that fits into your antenna here. Mine was the thicker looking one there. And yeah, once you get it in there, I mean, you just keep turning, all the way till you get all that down. Work it down so that it's nice and flush. And see, just like that. I'm sure right now you'll feel it get nice and tight. Yeah, see, it's already pretty good. And then just depending if you want, I don't know, wherever you want those little white lines to be aligned, but so check it out. One of the first little upgrades that we did right there really quick, took off that big old antenna. Hey man, it looks nice. See, starting to get back how Bumblebee used to look, Looks dope, you guys. All right, well, quick little install for the day here. You all have a wonderful Sunday. Enjoy your day. Like, subscribe. Have a good one.